Back with another room tour. We're here at the remodeled suite in Rio, Las Vegas. I've stayed in the old rooms and those were pretty bad, but this is a big upgrade. It's really nice in here. I think it's only been around for, I don't know, 6 months or so. You can tell everything's brand new. Closet space, which I'm utilizing right now. Let's go check. You get 2 sinks, one in the toilet room, one outside. So that's pretty nice. Check it out. Got the soap. Let's see, what other toiletries do they give you? I like the MGM properties that give you all the lotion and all this. So they do have it here too. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I like this tile in here, it's really nice. Shower head's all right, it comes off. Let's go check out the main room. Very spacious in here. You got the whole living room area, the bed, a lot of space in here. And it even has a fridge, which I really need every time I come to Vegas. Put your leftovers in there, your drinks. Looks like this was supposed to be a mini bar, but there's nothing in here. I don't know what's up with that. A lot of different drawers. Nice new bed. Seems comfortable. Great spot to watch TV from, right here, or watch from the bed. I really like these chairs. Check the texture. The table, that's nice too. Sorry, no view right now. Maybe I'll give you a daytime shot. Really comfortable area to chill at. I especially like this part of the couch right here. Let's test this baby out. Oh yeah, that's perfect for watching the game. Or you go down to the sports book. All right, that concludes the tour.